Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Briefing with Livry, and today I am going to share with you guys a Hobby Lobby haul, and this is going to be a how I made my own collection using Hobby Lobby crafty items. So I wanted to make myself a collection that I can use to create some projects, and I'm hoping I can kind of get project shares or process videos out using it to kind of inspire you guys to do it as well. It was really fun. It took quite a while. I had my son with me, but he was so good. I did treat him out to a cute little toy, but anyway, I had a lot of fun, and I think I maybe missed out on something. I'm gonna check online to see if they have it available, but I'm really excited to share with you guys because I actually can't wait to use this collection. So let's go ahead and just get started. So I'm gonna show you guys the paper pad that I went off of, and then I'll show you everything that I got to go with it. There are things at Hobby Lobby that obviously match with it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. This is the paper pad. It's called Retro Sunshine. There's 20 designs and you get 3 of each pattern. So let me go ahead and just flip through this. Okay, so let's go ahead and flip through this paper pad. So it's called Retro Sunshine. I'm sure I said it earlier. But here are the patterns. You got these cute smileys with the daisies. This checker print. I'm a huge checker print fan, but if you guys have not seen my last haul, I did share that I am a huge checker print fan, and that, you know, this video will basically show that. But look how cute these flowers are. They have that checker print on the flowers. Has that groovy print with the smiley faces and the waves. Another checker with the flowers. And there's a lot of pinks and oranges. I don't use orange often, but they just go. Pink and orange always go together very well. And then there's hints of this light blue color. But here's some rainbows. Some smiley faces. There's the this tile print with the sun, sunrise. Some more flowers. I love this one. This one's really cute. More of that checker print. And this one says, "These are the good days. Let the sun shine." And it has that wavy, trippy checker background. I don't know if you guys can see the tone on tone. I love this pattern. Probably one of my favorites. So cute. This one. This 12 by 12 sun pattern. Again with that wavy checker print, and then some more smileys. This, oops, sorry. And then this one right here has the sun rays with flowers going outward. More of those waves. And it says, "Spread kindness and hello sunshine." How cute is this? I love this one. And I think I've done one of these videos with another paper pad that they had there with the coordinating ephemera pack that they had. I have a couple videos. If I remember, I will go ahead and put that video at the end of the video and link them down below. But it was a lot of fun, so I thought I would try again. And I got inspired when I got there. This was not supposed to happen. I was not supposed to be buying all these things, but I got really inspired. So hopefully this video inspires you guys to create your own as well. But look how cute this outburst butterfly is. So cute. Okay, and then the last one is this one here. So that is the 12 by 12 paper pad. And then, of course, I had to get the 6 by 6. I saw that they had it. So I did grab this as well. And let's go ahead and get started with what I got to go with this paper pad to create a collection. So I just wanted to share with you guys this vellum that I got. They were 99 cents, but look how pretty this floral pattern is on there. I didn't get this for the collection, but I just wanted to share with you guys how pretty that looked. Okay, so I got some glitter paper. These are doodlebug designs, so they're not, they don't go on sale at all. They are sold as is, so they're $2 each. But I thought this cream colored glitter and this yellow really went with the paper pad. So I did get one of each because since they were $1.99, I was like, I don't know. So I'm going to have to just do with 2 sheets of glitter paper. I'm going to put this to the side so you guys can kind of see. Okay, and then some more glitter that I grabbed was this gold and this champagne color, because I wasn't sure which one I was going to use. I do have some of these, but I always like to stock up on those too, so I did grab one of each of those. And these are new to me, but these are matte. It's the, what do they call this? Matte punch pink foil, and then matte light pink foil. But I thought these colors go great with it, so I grabbed, I got 4 of the light pink, and then I got this, 2 of these punch pink colors. But these were new to me, so I was actually really happy that I saw those. So as you guys can see, it's kind of coming together a little bit. But yeah, that's kind of what it's looking like. And then I saw these specialty papers, and these were $1.99 each. But they're these like foiled, like matte foil, kind of matches this, that wavy checker. So I was like, okay, that's perfect. This specific color is not in here, but it matches that funky wavy checker print. So of course I went ahead and I grabbed that. And they had this one, which is a thinner paper. It's not specialty, so it was cheaper. It was 69 cents. That's an odd number to put for anyway, but it's a pink color. So this one, obviously it's kind of like matching here. This specific one is not in there, but I'm sure that they have these to go with this. But if you're looking around, you know, you'll find things that'll go with their paper pads. So I got these because at least I'll have more to work with, so that way, you know, I have different patterns. And then the last pattern that I got, this was specialty also, which is another matte foil pattern, is this checker. And I got 4 of these, but I'm sure it'll work with this paper pad. So those are the 3 patterns that I got that I feel go with this paper pad. Now on to the fun stuff, which are the stickers and things that I picked out to go with this pad. I got these stickers, which obviously look at the colors, but this is what it looks like. And I was thinking I can use these on the back of like some white cardstock. But cute sayings: find your joy today, good vibes, be your best self, be kind to yourself. I love all these, so I need to, you know, try to use these with the papers. And then matching smileys, and these are all puffy, so I won't have to puff these up on my own. But how cute, it matches that pattern. I'm so excited. And then there's these stickers, which these are dimensional stickers. Of course they match as well. And then the one thing that I grabbed, which I was like, okay, maybe they might have a matching set, and I missed out, but it was the die cut ephemera pack. I'm gonna look online. They do have a paper pad that goes with these die cuts, but I felt like I could still kind of make it work. So this is what it looks like. The colors are a little more pale They're like washed compared to the paper pad, but again, I think with the contrast, like I think it'll work. So I grabbed one of them. I was about to grab two, but I was like, you know what? Maybe they have a matching die cut pack that I can order online. So I decided just to go with one. And we'll just see how it goes. It's going to be a challenge, so I think that'll be fun. But I did grab that. And then, what else did I get? I got these smiley adhesive gems. You get 36 in a pack. And they have like gold smiley faces on them. The colors match very well as well. I don't have this color gem. I think I have a lot of gems, but I don't think I have this one. But I thought it matched the orange because it's not too orange. It has like this mustard yellow color, which is one of my favorite yellows. And so I grabbed a pack of those to go with it. Sorry for the glare. I'm trying to not get that glare in there. And then there are these patches. They're sticker patches. And this definitely goes like... I've always wanted one of these cars my whole life, so I had to get two of them. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, like, or on yet with this paper pad, but we'll see, you know, what I could do with it. It just matched so perfectly. So again, you could just look at things and then just go off the colors and put it together. And yeah. So this is another patch that I got. This one was not on sale or anything, but it was $1.49, and I thought it matched as well. If I don't use it, I can always make something for my daughter with it, so I thought I'd go ahead and grab it anyway. And then the last patch that I grabbed is this one right here, which is a checkered heart. So a couple patches to go off of to play with. And okay, so next I'm going to share with you guys our washi tapes that I thought went well. So this is one of them. This is like an ombre glittered washi. So I got this set. This one, of course, is going to match. I did grab two of these because, you know, that's just me. I had to. They're checkered, so I got two of them. And then there's this one. This one says Be Kind, and it has the orange and pink ombre checker. So I got a pack of that. Okay, and then the last thing that I got for this collection that I'm making for myself were paper flowers or floral embellishments. So the first one I grabbed was this one. And you guys, I was sad. All the packs looked like this. I did get 2 packs of these. So it looks like this. I got lucky. This one actually was the only one that was straight. But I got 2 of those, and their flowers are usually $6.99. So definitely wait till they're on sale. I got 2 packs of these because I thought these went well. I mean, there's some colors that maybe I don't need to use, but I did grab them just in case. And then I grabbed these ones. These match these. These are all new to me. I don't really shop for scrapbooking stuff. Well, I haven't lately, but obviously now I'm getting back into it. But yeah, these are new to me, so I was really happy to see these. So I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 of these ones, I believe. Yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I got a pack of these ones. And then if I don't use these with this, you know, with this collection, I'm going to just use it and keep it for any other collection that I have that I could use them on. And you guys, I am madly obsessed with these flowers because, again, I've never seen these, so these have to be new. But they are these ones, and I just felt like they didn't really match because, again, they're kind of washed out. It probably would have went well with the other collection with the die cuts that I showed you guys. Yeah, they match pretty well. But I just decided to get them either way, and I decided to get a bunch of them. I was like, oh my gosh, but the colors are just everything, you guys, and they're new to me, so I did grab a ton of these, you know, for myself to have, but I thought those were really cute, and that was actually it. So this is my collection that I created. Let me go ahead and just remove all of these, because you don't need to see all that. but this is what it looks like. So tell me what you guys think of my collection that I put together. If you guys got inspired, also let me know. I can't wait to share with you guys what I create with these. I'll make sure to put the video out of the other one that I did, where I just used the ephemera pack and the paper pad and made some things. I know I made a card, a mini album, and a scrapbook layout. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll have those linked down below for you guys. Let me share with you guys just a couple things that I didn't share yesterday, or the day for, or that I didn't share with my Hobby Lobby haul. But I did get this rose sparkle putty, and I want to use this with my wax tools that I make. So if you guys get my Valentine kit, grab yourself some sparkle putty, because you could use these in your diamond tools that I make. So these would be really fun. I do add my own for you guys to have, or I do add some for you guys in your kit. But if you guys want a huge pack, you guys can go ahead and grab this one. Okay, and then the last thing is this bin, which I saw in the Valentine section. Is this? Yeah, it's part of the Valentine. I wonder if she gave this to me on sale, because she missed all of this stuff. She forgot to put the discount in, so I didn't even look if she put it all in. But yeah, this was 40% off, and I loved the pink. I thought it was adorable. So I did grab one of these to store some stuff in. But that finishes up my haul, you guys. So please, please, please let me know in the comments down below if this inspired you guys to make your own, or if you guys are excited to see what I create with it. And also if you guys kind of think that they match, or if it goes well with each other, and you know, yeah. I'm kind of just sad that this die cut pack, I kind of missed out on it. I feel like I did, because they had a bunch of other die cut packs but the one for this collection, so I may have to look online. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are interested in my haul video, if you guys didn't see it, I will make sure to have that link down below. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever date is that y'all are watching this. I can't wait to get some videos out using this collection of mine. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!